Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? Okay, okay, good. Uh, how many topics we had discussed in the last lecture? Is this part is completed? Regular graph. Yes. Okay. And after directed, undirected graph. Okay. Up to this we had discussed. Clear. Okay. So in the last lecture, we had discussed basic definition of the graph. Clear. Important definition. Definition of graph. That is here. Pair of the object here, where V and E are the object. It is a graphical representations of pair of the object here, pair of the sets V and E, where uh, set of edges are connecting the pair of vertices. Clear? That is called the graph. And here some the example are given that where this is are the vertices and this connection between the two vertices are the edges. Clear? And then after null graph definitions, a graph having no edges is called null graph. Graph with only one vertex is called the trivial graph. Then after the concept of loop and parallel edges, edge drawn from vertex to itself, it is called the loop. Okay. And next is a parallel edges. Any two vertices are connecting by more than one edge. That is called a parallel edges. And graph having parallel edges is called the multi-graph. And then after adjacent relation, okay, any two vertices, when we say any two vertices are adjacent, if they connect by a common edge, ठीक है, कोई एक दो वर्टेक्स का आपको कंसिडर करना है, if A and B are connect by common edge, यहाँ पे common edge है E1, ठीक है, so A and B are called adjacent vertices. Similarly A and C, okay, C and D are adjacent, but B and D और D में कोई एक common edge नहीं है, ठीक है, there is no any common edge between B and D, so B and D are not adjacent. Similarly for adjacent edges, two non-parallel edges are said to be adjacent edges if they connect by a common vertex. Okay, so consider two edges E1 and E3, and it is all adjacent edges because it is connected by a common vertex A. Okay, दोनों A से connected है, so therefore E1 and E3 are adjacent edges. Similarly for E3 and E5, okay, E1 and E3, these all are the counter examples. Okay, and then after we just check relation between vertex with edges, vertex with vertex. ठीक है, so vertex और edge का relation क्या होता है? That is it is called incidence relation. Okay, vertex edge relation, it is called incidence relation. ठीक है, and vertex with vertex relation, it is called adjacent relation. ठीक है, and these two vertex are also called the neighbor if connect by a common edge. And then after degree of vertex, how we can check degree of any vertex? It is the number of edges incidence with the particular vertex v. ठीक है, कोई एक वर्टेक्स है जिसकी डिग्री आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है, तो उस वर्टेक्स के साथ कितनी एज कनेक्टेड है. ठीक है, तो एक ग्राफ में ए के साथ दो एजेस कनेक्टेड है, तो डिग्री ऑफ ए क्या होगी? दैट इज इक्वल टू 2. ठीक है, बी के साथ भी दो एज कनेक्टेड है, तो डिग्री ऑफ बी इज 2. सी इज ऑल्सो कनेक्ट बाय टू एजेस, so degree of C is a 2. F is no any connection, okay, with any other edges, so degree of F is equal to 0. एंड डिग्री ऑफ E, अगर कोई लूप है, ठीक है, कोई वर्टेक्स पे, तो इसकी डिग्री आपको दो बार काउंट करनी है. ठीक है, सो लूप हैज अ डिग्री 2 एंड प्लस 2 मोर एजेस. ठीक है, दो एक्स्ट्रा एज है विथ वन लूप, तो डिग्री ऑफ एनी लूप इज 2 प्लस 2 मोर एजेस, सो डिग्री ऑफ एफ ई इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, ई की डिग्री कितनी होगी? दैट इज इक्वल टू 4. And then after pendant and isolated vertex, if any vertex is degree 1, it is called pendant vertex, and any vertex with degree 0, it is called isolated vertex. Okay, in this any of the graph. And then after regular graph definition, okay, a graph having degree of all vertices are equal. ठीक है, ग्राफ में सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री अगर इक्वल है, सेम है, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ इज कॉल्ड द रेगुलर ग्राफ. ठीक है, सभी वर्टेक्स डिग्री इक्वल होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इस ग्राफ में सभी वर्टेक्स डिग्री कितनी है? दैट इज इक्वल टू 2. ठीक है, ऑल द वर्टेक्स हैव डिग्री 2 हियर, so degree of this graph, degree of this all vertex of this graph, that is equal to 2 and that is equal. So this graph is called the regular graph. Okay. If it is not equal, then it is called not a regular graph. And next definition is there, directed and undirected graph. Okay. So what is meaning of directed graph? A graph is a directed graph where all the edges are directed from one vertex to another vertex. Okay. And what is it real life situation? Okay. What is it real life applications? You can consider a one-way route. Okay. One-way जो route होता है, that is direction is a fixed that okay between two places. कोई दो location है, उन दोनों location बीच में एक one-way route है, ठीक है, one-way road. तो what does it mean कि आप एक ही डायरेक्शन फॉलो कर सकते हो to reach one place to another place. ठीक है. So that is meaning of directed graph. Okay. कि जिस ग्राफ में दो लोकेशन की डायरेक्शंस फिक्स है, ठीक है, to reach one place to another place, one location to another location, that type of situation is called a directed graph. ठीक है. So here in this graph it is represented by the arrow. ठीक है. कि 5 vertex है इस ग्राफ में, A, B, C, D and E. So there is direction is a fixed from A to D. Okay, you can consider this directions only from reach A to D. Clear? You cannot use the same path again to reach D to A. Clear? You just follow the direction. Then after A to E में direction fix है, that is fixed here. Okay, this arrow means the directions. Okay, arrow represent directions here. So here that is called directed graph. A graph is a directed graph where all the edges are directed from one vertex to another vertex. Okay, one vertex to another vertex. Clear? And if you need to find the path between A to D, okay, D to A, clear, you just follow the directions. Clear? You cannot use the same path again, okay, to reach back the same place. Clear? For example, here path between A to D is exists. Okay, A और D में path है, ठीक है, you can easily reach from A to D. Clear? अगर आपको D to A तक पहुंचना है, D से A तक, clear, D to A. So this path is not mentioned it here. Okay, you just follow another route there. Okay, another direction, and then you can reach back. You just reach back to the A or not. Let us check it here. So D to A तो direct possible नहीं है, and let us move on another way. Let us reach first D to E. यहाँ पे E vertex है, ठीक है, there is vertex E here as per the direction. And now from E, there is no such specific path we have. Okay, we can reach at the place A. क्लियर? एज पर द डायरेक्शन. अगर डायरेक्शन हम चेंज कर देते हैं, ठीक है, अगर डायरेक्शन डिफरेंट है तो वी कैन इजीली रीच दैट. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल इस यहाँ के ए टू ई की डायरेक्शन अगर इसको हम ई टू ए की डायरेक्शन बना देते हैं, सो इट विल बी पॉसिबल टू रीच डी टू ए अगेन. ओके, बाय द डिफरेंट रूट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ, तो उसमें डायरेक्शन फिक्स नहीं है. ठीक है, यू कैन यूज द सेम पाथ अगेन टू रीच बैक टू वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. ओके, सो डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ in a undirected graph. Okay, a graph is an undirected graph where all the edges are bidirectional. All the edges are bidirectional मतलब क्या हुआ कि आप सेम रूट दो बार यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, टू रीच बैक अगेन. ठीक है, so here same graph I have considered, but in this graph direction is not a mention. Okay, the arrow is not mentioned. That what does it mean कि आप A to D भी जा सकते हो by using the same route, and you can also use the same route to reach D to A again. ठीक है, that is called the bidirectional. And same for all other route. Okay, same for all other connectivity between the two places. You can use the same route again to reach back one place to another place. Clear? So that is called undirected graph. And real life example is a one-way route. One-way route means a directed graph. Okay, and if it is not one-way route, there it is not a undirected graph. And next there are some exercises are there. Okay, let us finish it. Simple graph are given that, and in the first example we just take a degree of all the vertices, clear, one by one, and then after we also we'll also create some graph based on the condition of the degree. Okay, so here in the first graph, first, second, and there are two more graphs are given. फाइंड द डिग्री ऑफ ईच वर्टेक्स. ग्राफ में सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है. ठीक है, तो वी कैन नॉट फाइंड द डिग्री ऑफ द ग्राफ. ओके, वी कैन फाइंड द डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स ओनली, ऑफ ईच वर्टेक्स ऑफ द ग्राफ ओनली. ठीक है, सो हियर डिग्री ऑफ ए, व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ ए इन द फर्स्ट ग्राफ? that is equal to 4. Correct. Okay, degree of B, that is equal to 3. Okay, degree of C is equal to 3 also. Degree of E, that is equal to 0. Okay, and you can write answer in such form. Okay, we just use the notation D for the degree, otherwise DEG. Degree of A is equal to 4. degree of B is equal to 3, okay, degree of C is equal to also 3, and degree of E, that is equal to 0, okay. You can write the answer in this one. In the second graph, degree of A, that is equal to 4, okay, degree of B is equal to 3, C is a 3, okay, D is also 3, F is a 1, and E is a 0. Clear? Then very good. Yeah, it's very easy to calculate the answer. Clear? Simple. We just check edges connect with the particular vertex, okay, and we can find the answer. Clear? B, C, and D all have degree 3. Clear? And degree of F is a 1 and E is a 0. So F is known as a pendant vertex and E is known as isolated vertex. Clear? Now third graph, degree of this vertex in this graph. In the third graph, what is answer of degree of all the vertex? All have a 3. Very good. Okay. So all vertex have degree 3. Okay. All the degree of all vertices is equal to 3. Clear? Now in the fourth graph, degree of A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, D is equal to 3, C is a 3, and E is a 1. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. How we can check degree. And now in the fifth graph, what is answer of degree of G? Degree of G is equal to 5. Correct. Okay. So here there are 2 loop. Okay. And as we know that any loop has a degree 2. अगर कोई loop है तो उसकी degree 2 होती है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे 2 loop है तो it is a 2 plus 2. ठीक है. 4 and plus एक edge connected है. ठीक है. This is one edge. That is edge is connected with the G also. So it is a plus 1. Okay. So is equal to 5. So degree of G is equal to 5. Clear? Degree of J, that is equal to 2, and degree of K is equal to 1. Clear? Now which graph is a regular graph here among these 3? Yeah, third one. Okay, correct. Means the first one in this slide. Okay. So this graph is a regular graph because all vertex have degree equal. ठीक है, सभी vertex degree equal है. तो ये जो graph है, ठीक है, this first one in this slide, that is the regular graph. Clear? That is known as a regular shape of the graph. Okay, it's easy. And now here, as per the condition, okay, you have to create the graph. ठीक है, 5 वर्टेक्स आपको यूज करने हैं. ठीक है. ड्रॉ द ग्राफ विथ 5 वर्टाइसेस with degree of A is a 2, B is a 3. Yes, in the directed graph will count the same way. Okay. Draw the graph with 5 vertices A, B, C, D, E with degree of A as a 2, B is a 3, C is a 2, D is a 2, and E is equal to 1. Okay. So there are lots of possibility. Let us first I draw it here, okay, and remaining you just try it. It's very easy, okay. First आपको कोई 5 वर्टेक्स कोई भी पोजीशन में रख देना है. ठीक है. You just place it in any position. Shape is not fixed here कि आपको एक ही shape बनेगा. There are lots of possibility of this graph, okay, lots of possibility of this answer. But condition क्या है कि जो भी 5 वर्टेक्स आपने यूज किए उसकी डिग्री यहाँ पे फिक्स है. ठीक है. Degree of A should be 2, B is a 3, C is a 2, D is a 2, and E is equal to 1. ऐसे आपको number of edges maintain करनी है. ठीक है. And just try it by using the minimum number of edges. Okay. Let us first mention the notation. A, this is a vertex A. It is a B, C, D, and the E. ठीक है. कोई भी arbitrary name दे दो. And now create edges, means connect this all the vertices. So here, let us connect with the E first and then after B. Clear? Otherwise A, B, and A. So now you can see that degree of A is equal to 2 here, and here it is now complete. Okay. We cannot create more edges from the vertex A. Okay. It is now fixed. Clear? It is now complete. The degree of A is equal to 2. and degree of E is equal to 1. So E is also now complete. We cannot create more edges. Otherwise, we cannot connect some more edges from the vertex A as well as vertex E. Clear? So A is a fix, E is a fix, and now just connect remaining 3. So B is a 3 degree. Okay. So 1 is complete. Now let us connect B to C and B to D. Okay. Now you can see that B has a degree 3. Okay. And then after connect C and D. Because degree of C and D is equal to 2 here. So connect one more edges with the C and D, and that is the answer. Okay. Now you can see that degree of A is a 2, B is a 3, C is a 2, D is a 2, and E is equal to 1. Okay. And there are another possibility of that. Okay. You can also use the loop. Okay. To create such type of graph. Clear? For example, if I modified this graph, suppose इसको मैं modify करता हूँ, यहाँ पे D को connect करता हूँ, ठीक है? And here I create one of the loop. That is also one answer. Yeah, as you can see, the degree of A as a 2, B and C as a 2, D as a 3. Okay, one loop plus one edges. So B is equal to degree 3 and E is equal to 1. ठीक है, ये भी एक answer ही है. ठीक है, that is also one suitable solution. ठीक है, so here you get this as answer. Clear? And now next is this one. Okay, draw the graph with 4 vertices. 4 वर्टेक्स आपको लेने हैं, उसमें सभी वर्टेक्स डिग्री 5 कंसिडर करनी. ठीक है, ऐसा आपको एज को मेंटेन करना है कि which include 4 vertices with all vertex of degree 5. So first you just try it and then we'll discuss. Just try it by yourself. कोई भी 4 vertex ले लो कोई भी पोजीशन में. ठीक है, and then after connect it by some number of edges which we can consider as a all vertex of degree 5. ठीक है, good. So here you will get this type of answer. Okay, and you can also derive another solutions for that. Clear? कैसे करना है इसको कि पहले 4 वर्टेक्स आपको लेने हैं. ठीक है, and then after connect it. So now degree of each vertex is a 2. सभी वर्टेक्स डिग्री 2 हो गई. आपको कितनी कंसिडर करनी है? 5. ओके, सो क्रिएट सम मोर एजेस. ओके, कनेक्टेड बाय क्रॉस. तो अब सब वर्टेक्स डिग्री कितनी है? दैट इज नाउ 3. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे पैरेलल एज इन्वॉल्व की है, यूज की है इन दिस सॉल्यूशन. यू कैन ऐड वन लूप हियर एट ईच वर्टेक्स. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे सभी वर्टेक्स में एक लूप भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो टू फिक्स द आंसर. ओके, दैट इज बोथ आर सेम. क्लियर? हाँ, we can also use the loop. ठीक है, that is another solutions of this way. Clear? Okay, and then after try this one. Draw the graph with 6 vertices and degree of all vertex should be 5. Okay, it's also very easy. 6 वर्टेक्स आपको लेना है. ठीक है, ठीक है. शेप अगर आप वर्टेक्स की पोजीशन चेंज करते हो तो शेप आपका डिफरेंट होगा. ठीक है, बट इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट अगर ये कंडीशन अगर फुलफिल है उसमें. ठीक है, शेप कोई भी हो, इफ कंडीशन इज फुलफिल ऑफ ईच वर्टेक्स, कंडीशन क्या है कि सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री 5 रहनी चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर कोई ऐसा वर्टेक्स उसमें है जिसकी डिग्री 6 है, देन इट इज रॉन्ग। क्लियर? शेप कोई भी हो चलेगा, ठीक है। यू कैन यूज एनी, इफ यू चेंज द पोजीशन देन शेप विल बी चेंज, ठीक है। 6 वर्टेक्स आई हैव कंसीडर, and then after I will connect by this vertices here, connect cross, after this one. Okay, now it has a all vertex of degree 5. Okay, that is now 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Clear? That is one answer. Otherwise you can loop here. Okay, suppose inside की एक दो एज आप निकाल दो, ठीक है। let us remove it. दो एज आपको निकालनी, ठीक है, कोई भी दो। अप टू दिस ऑल हैव डिग्री 3, ठीक है, सभी वर्टेक्स डिग्री 3 है। नाउ क्रिएट अ लूप, यहाँ पे कोई लूप बना दो, ऑल द वर्टेक्स हैव डिग्री 5, ठीक है। दैट इज वन आंसर, एंड हियर यू विल गेट दिस स्टेप इज आल्सो, ओके। एंड नाउ ट्राई दिस वन। लास्ट जो कंडीशन है, ठीक है, ई एंड एफ आर एडजेसेंट, मींस उस दोनों वर्टेक्स को आपको कोई एज से कनेक्ट करना है, ठीक है, कोई सिंगल एज से। ई एंड एफ, इसकी डिग्री मेंशन नहीं है कि आप कोई भी डिग्री ले सकते हो, बट ई एंड एफ शुड बी कनेक्टेड बाय कॉमन एज, ठीक है। एडजेसेंट का मतलब क्या हुआ? इट शुड बी कनेक्टेड बाय वन एज, ठीक है। ओके, इट्स आल्सो वेरी इजी, विल गेट दिस एब आंसर, ठीक है। कोई 6 वर्टेक्स आप ले लो, 5 वर्टेक्स, 6 वर्टेक्स आर देयर, ओके, ए बी सी डी ई, एनी ऑफ द पोजीशन, ओके। चेंज द पोजीशन, शेप विल बी डिफरेंट, ये भी पोजीशन आप ले सकते हो। अब नोटेशन मेंशन कर दो, ए बी सी डी ई एंड एफ, ठीक है। एंड ई एंड एफ आर एडजेसेंट, मींस they have connected, clear? That is now adjacent, meaning is complete. Degree of A is a 3, B is a 1, so you can connect maximum 1 edges from the A, here to the B. C has the degree 2, D has the degree 3, so A has a degree 3 is done. Create 3 degree, let us connect this one, and C has a degree 2, okay. This is the answer. B is a degree 1, A has a 3, D has a 3, C has a 2, and E and F are adjacent, okay. Now try this one. 5 वर्टेक्स लेने हैं, 7 एज, 7 एजेस, ठीक है। डिग्री मेंशन नहीं है, 5 वर्टेक्स का ग्राफ में 7 एज आपको इन्वॉल्व करनी है, ठीक है। एंड लॉट्स ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी, एक आंसर नहीं होगा सर, इज देयर एनी ऑप्टिमाइजेशन? हाँ, that is several time you can consider. Degree of EMF, anything means more than one also. Yeah, you can also consider more than 1 year. Okay, this is not specific year की, just consider only one age is that, ठीक है। अगर एक एज से आपका मीनिंग फुलफिल हो जाता है, then it is okay, clear. You can not add some more ages, that clear. By using one ages we can check that E and F now we can say are adjacent, ठीक है। So therefore we just use only one edge. You can use also multiple edges. You can also use a loop here, okay, at loop at the vertex E also, clear. But by using minimum edges, okay, by using minimum edges we have to just draw the graph, okay. Yeah, देन आफ्टर दिस वन दैट इज आंसर ऑफ दिस ग्राफ, ठीक है। 7 एज का आपको यूज करना है एंड 5 वर्टेक्स को कनेक्ट करना है, ठीक है। सो 4 plus 3, okay, that is a 7. This is solutions you will get here. Nice. And now that question is depends on the next theorem, so we'll discuss later. Before first we'll complete this theorem. That is the first result of graph theory, okay. First statement of the graph theory, and that theorem, okay, that statement is valid, means it is a true for all the graph, okay, for any types of graph, for any number of vertices, any number of edges you can consider. This statement always will satisfy, okay, always will work that. So what is the statement here? Okay, in a graph G, the sum of degree of all vertices of the graph, okay, of the graph G, sum of degree of all vertices. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपको सभी वर्टेक्स चेक करने हैं, सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री कैलकुलेट करनी है एंड देन फाइंड आउट इट टोटल, okay. So sum of degree of all vertices, sum of degree of all vertices is equal to the twice the number of edges of the graph G. Twice the number of edges का मतलब क्या हुआ कि ग्राफ की सभी एज आपको काउंट करनी है, ठीक है। कैलकुलेट द ऑल एजेस ऑफ द ग्राफ G ऑफ द गिवन ग्राफ एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. ये दोनों आंसर जो है, ठीक है, सम ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ ऑल वर्टाइसेस that equal to twice the number of edges, okay, that is our statement, clear. And in other word you can say that okay, कोई ग्राफ है with n vertices, if G is any graph with n vertices, e edges, ठीक है, notation are mentioned here. So degree of n vertices means degree of v1 plus degree of v2 plus degree of vn plus up to degree of vn, that total, okay, उसका total क्या होगा, that is equal to 2 times of number of edges, okay. आप एज को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, so that answer will be same, clear, in both the side answer will be same, clear. The sum of degree of all vertices that is equal to twice the number of edges, clear. That is a statement of this theorem. And that theorem is also called the first theorem of graph theory, okay, and it is also called the handshaking theorem, clear. In this graph theory, all the most of the content are in theorem in theoretical form, okay. So this type of questions will be there in the exam also, clear. State and prove the first theorem of the graph theory, otherwise state and prove the handshaking theorem of the graph theory, otherwise directly statement will be there and you just prove it, okay. Let us first verify this statement for any of the graph and then after we'll discuss it proof, okay. कोई एक ग्राफ है, इसमें आपको एक कंडीशन वेरीफाई करनी है, तो उसका मतलब कैसे आप वेरीफाई करोगे? ये दिस इज वन ऑफ द ग्राफ हियर, okay, with 4 vertices, clear, and 5 edges. Now I'll check the degree of all the vertex. It is a v1, there is a v2, v3 and v4, okay. So what is the degree of v1? That is a 3 plus degree of v2 is a 2 plus v3 is a 3 and plus v4 is a 2, okay. Now what is the total? Total is equal to, that is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, okay. Answer is a 10 of one side, okay. Sum of degree of all vertices is equal to a 10. And now check number of edges in the graph. So E is equal to 5 here. Total 5 edges say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And multiply this answer by 2, means 2 times of E. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10, okay. So this both answer always will be same in any types of graph, okay. कोई भी graph आप ले सकते हो with only single vertex, it is also work, clear. So this is our statement and let us prove it. Here the main part, okay, is the degree, clear. We just check the degree of all vertices and we just check its equality with the twice the number of edges, okay. So here we'll focus on the degree concept, how we can check the degree. आप degree कैसे check कर सकते हो, ठीक है, how we can count the degree of any vertex, clear. That definitions we'll use it here to prove this result, okay. It's very easy. Let us start with this one. एफ बी एनी एज ऑफ द ग्राफ जी, ठीक है, कोई एक ग्राफ है विथ देयर इज वन एज एफ, ओके. सो उस एज की पॉसिबिलिटी क्या होगी? का तो लूप होगा, ठीक है, आइदर इट इज अ लूप एट एनी वर्टेक्स, अदरवाइज इट इज वन ऑफ द एज विद द टू डिफरेंट वर्टेक्स, ठीक है. Let's right consider this one, that is a vertex v1 and this is a loop here, okay, vertex v1 and it is a loop, okay, का तो loop होगा, अदरवाइज सेकंड केस में क्या होगा, that is one edge between v1 and v2, okay. That is a f here, okay. Let us remove this part because you already checked. That is v1 and v2, okay. f be any edge of the graph g, ठीक है. So in the first case अगर f is a loop, f is a loop, okay, अगर f loop है तो edge है वो loop के फॉर्म में है, starting and ending are same. So on the vertex v1 then f is a count twice, okay. How we can check degree of the loop, it will be counted two times for the degree, ठीक है. One is in and second is out, ठीक है. So it will be counted two times for the degree when we count the degree of vertex v1 if it is a loop, the first case, ठीक है. अगर f loop है, ठीक है, if it is a loop in this graph, okay, that is vertex v1 here and there is a loop at the place v1. So if it is a loop, so what will be the degree of v1? Okay, that is equal to 2. So f will count, okay, this edge will count two times for the count a degree, okay, to count a degree of the vertex v1, okay. That is the case one. Okay, अगर loop होती है कोई edge, it will be count two times for the degree, okay. And now in second case, suppose को loop नहीं है, so what is the possibility for that? That is one of the edge between two different vertices, ठीक है, one of the edge between two different vertex. So in the second graph, I have considered edge with the two different vertex, okay. Now it is not a loop क्योंकि दोनों का starting और ending different है, ठीक है. So how we can check a degree of v1, okay, how we can check degree of v2? So in that case, clear, this f, ये जो f है, when we count the degree of v1 we'll consider the f here, okay, at the place at the vertex v1. And when we check degree of v2, okay, degree of v2 के लिए भी हम f consider करते हैं, ठीक है. So f will count two times for the degree at the place v1 and at the place v2. एक ही एज है दोनों के बीच में, ठीक है. There is only single edge between v1 and v2, but when we count the degree of v1 and v2, the f will consider at both the place, ठीक है. If it is an edge, then f will consider at both the vertex, ठीक है, to check the degree of these two particular vertex, ठीक है. So f is incidence on v1 and v2. f जो है और v1 के साथ भी कनेक्टेड है, v2 के साथ भी कनेक्टेड, means it is a edge. Then f is a count in both the place, means when we count the degree of v1 we'll consider the f, okay, and when we count the degree of v2 we'll also consider the f, ठीक है. And so f is a counted twice if we add degree of v1 and degree of v2, ठीक है. अगर वो लूप है means it will be counted two times for the degree, अगर वो लूप नहीं है, ठीक है, so when we check the degree of the particular vertex, this edge will count two times at both the place, okay, at vertex v1 as well as at the vertex v2, ठीक है. So what is meaning of this two line? So that adding the degree of all vertices, now consider for all vertices of the graph, adding the degree of all vertices involve counting twice of each edge of the graph G. When we count, when we all vertices, ठीक है, जितनी भी एज होगी ग्राफ में, ठीक है, जितनी भी एज होगी, that will be counted two times for the degree, ठीक है, that will be counted two times for the degree, okay. That we consider this example, okay, this one square with 5 edges. Now you just check that, okay, कि आप डिग्री ऑफ v1 काउंट करते हो, डिग्री ऑफ v3 काउंट करते हो, so ये जो कॉमन एज है बीच में f, that will be counted both the place, ठीक है. So every edge in this graph, every edge in this graph will be counted two times for the degree, ठीक है. So adding the degree of all vertices, adding the degree of all vertices counted twice of each edge of the graph G, ठीक है, counted two times for each edge. ग्राफ की सभी एज जो है वो दो बार काउंट होगी, ठीक है, फॉर द डिग्री एट बोथ द प्लेस, ठीक है, एट स्टार्टिंग जो एज एंडिंग, ठीक है. अगर लूप है तो ऑटोमेटिकली दो बार काउंट होती है फॉर द डिग्री. अगर लूप नहीं है, ठीक है, दोनों डिफरेंट वर्टेक्स है, अलग अलग वर्टेक्स है, तो दोनों जगह पे, ठीक है, दोनों वर्टेक्स पे उसकी डिग्री कंसिडर होगी, ठीक है. सो that's our theorem, the additions of degree of all vertices. Okay, now addition of degree of all vertices is equal to the twice the number of edges. ठीक है, सभी डिग्री का एडिशन कौन से बराबर होगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ एजेस, क्योंकि डिग्री के लिए, डिग्री कैलकुलेट करने के लिए सभी एज को आप 2 बार काउंट करते हो, तो उसका एडिशन आप लो, एंड दैट आंसर ऑल्सो मैच विद 2 टाइम्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ एजेस. ठीक है, दैट ऑलवेज विल बी सेम, and that is a proof of this theorem. Yes. Is there any query, any confusion in any of the step? Just read it again, all the step, okay, all of you, and if you have any query, any doubt, please ask me. Okay, so no any query to anyone? Nice. ठीक है, it's very easy to explain also, not a very difficult. ठीक है, दो केस आपको कंसिडर करना है. ठीक है, कोई एज के लिए दो पॉसिबिलिटी होगी, या तो लूप होगी, अदरवाइज एज होगी, दोनों को आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. अगर लूप है तो हाउ वी कैन चेक द डिग्री, अगर वो एज है तो हाउ वी कैन चेक द डिग्री. ओके, दो लाइन आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन करनी है, एंड देन आफ्टर राइट द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस वन. when we consider degree of all vertices, that will be involve counting twice of each of the age. सभी जो एज है और डिग्री के लिए 2 बार काउंट होती है. ठीक है, and therefore addition of degree of all vertices, addition of degree of all vertex is equal to twice the number of edges. ठीक है, is equal to twice the number of edges. And now you can verify this statement to any graph. ठीक है, कोई भी ग्राफ के लिए स्टेटमेंट आप वेरीफाई कर सकते हो. ठीक है, any types of graph with any number of vertex, any number of edges. It's theorem, this statement always will work. Okay, there is no such trivial result we have. Okay, any of the quadratic result, any of the quadratic graph we have where this statement will not hold. Okay, for all such condition, all such graph, its statement always will work. Okay, so here one of its counter example is given. 4 वर्टेक्स है ग्राफ में. ठीक है, विथ 6 एजेस आर दैट. क्लियर. सो पहले डिग्री कैलकुलेट की है. ठीक है, डिग्री ऑफ ए बी सी डी. तो डिग्री ऑफ ए प्लस बी प्लस सी एंड प्लस डी इज इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ ए इज 3. ओके, बी इज 4, सी इज 3 एंड डी इज 2. सो टोटल इज इक्वल टू 12 हुआ. ठीक है, टोटल ऑफ द डिग्री दैट इज इक्वल टू 12. दैट इज वन आंसर. ये एक आंसर है एक साइड का. ठीक है, सिग्मा आई फ्रॉम 1 to n. ओके, डिग्री ऑफ वी आई इज इक्वल टू, ये आंसर आपको मिला 12. ठीक है, एंड दैट आंसर इज इक्वल टू ऑलवेज 2 टाइम्स ऑफ ई. तो नंबर ऑफ एजेस यहाँ पे कितनी है, एजेस आर 6. ठीक है, देयर आर 6 एजेस, यू जस्ट काउंट इट 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. ठीक है, देयर आर 6 एजेस आर देयर, सो ई इज इक्वल टू 6. तो उसको आपको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So multiply by 2, that is also is equal to 12. ठीक है, एंड इफ यू कंसिडर अ ट्रिवियल ग्राफ, ठीक है, एक सिंगल वर्टेक्स है, ठीक है, ग्राफ में, उसके लिए भी एक स्टेटमेंट ट्रू ही है, ठीक है, विथ नो एनी एजेस आर दैट। सो फॉर अ ट्रिवियल ग्राफ, ठीक है, ट्रिवियल ग्राफ का मतलब क्या है कि देयर इज नो एनी एजेस, ठीक है, ओनली सिंगल वर्टेक्स आर देयर। सो दैट theorem also will work for this graph also, ठीक है। तो degree of the v1 that is equal to 0, okay, is equal to 2 times of number of edges। तो number of edges यहाँ पे कितनी है, there is no any edges are there, means it is 0, so that is equal to also 0, clear? Okay, and at last we can consider one of the result, clear? Can note that the sum of degree of all vertices, sum of degree of all vertices, that is always equal to the even number, okay, always is equal to even number, clear? Sum of degree of all vertices, ठीक है। In such addition there are such number of vertices whose degree is odd, okay, degree is even, बस उसका जो टोटल जो होगा, ठीक है, सभी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री का टोटल, दैट वैल्यू ऑलवेज विल बी इन इवन फॉर्म, ठीक है, वो हमेशा इवन नंबर ही होगा, ठीक है, दैट ऑलवेज इज इक्वल टू द इवन नंबर, and that you can verify for any graph, okay. In this previous graph, okay, in this graph we get total is equal to 10, okay, sum of degree of all vertices is equal to 10, that is even number, clear? If you consider in another graph, okay, let's consider this graph, clear, with loop also, clear, and this way, clear, that is one arbitrary situation. Now check the degree of all vertex, that is A, B, C and D, clear? So A has a degree 1 plus B has a degree 3 plus C has a degree 3 plus 2, 5, okay, and D has a degree 3. So total is equal to 6 plus 6, okay, 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 12, clear? तो कोई भी शेप में ग्राफ होगा, यू विल ऑलवेज गेट आंसर एज अ इवन फॉर्म, ठीक है। अगर आप एज ऐड करते हो, ठीक है, suppose I add the ages now, okay, let us say it's more ages here, so now degree will be changed that, and as per the degree you will get answer, that is a 2, here it is a 6, clear, 2, sorry, it is a 5, clear, degree of B is a 5, then after degree of C, that is a 3 plus 2, 5 as it is, and degree of D, that is a 2 plus 2, 4, okay, so it is a 5 plus 5 10 plus 4 14 plus 2 is equal to 16, clear? That is always an even number you will get, okay. Then after next theorem, let us
સર
yes please.
આવડું લૂપ વાળું એકવાર કેમ ને એ આપણે એક જ ગણવાની ને એજ તો એની
हाँ एज एक જ છે, બટ ડિગ્રી તો વેરીફાઈ કરવાનું છે ને, આ ડિગ્રી ટોટલ 16 આવ્યો, લેટ અસ વેરીફાઈ. So how many ages are that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ठीक है, 8 ages are that, e is equal to 8, loop is considered only one ages, ठीक है। अगर डिग्री के लिए दो बार काउंट होती है, डिग्री मींस डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स, ओके, नाउ नंबर ऑफ एजेस दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ वन टाइम, ठीक है, सो एजेस आर 8 हियर,
ઓકે સર ઓકે
so 2 into e that is equal to 60, ठीक है, ages are 60, okay. And after that second theorem, let us understand the statement only, and we'll discuss a proof in the next lecture, okay, because we cannot finish the proof within the 5 minutes. Number of vertices of odd degree in a graph is always even, even in quantity, even in quantity, मतलब क्या हुआ कि कोई ग्राफ है आपके पास, ठीक है, उसमें odd डिग्री वाले वर्टेक्स की संख्या, odd डिग्री वाले वर्टेक्स में मींस डिग्री ऑफ ए इज अ 3, डिग्री ऑफ बी इज अ 5 3 1 2 1 7 and so on, okay, this vertices are called the odd degree vertices, clear? So here we just check that the number of vertices of odd degree, ठीक है, what is statement said that कि odd degree वाले vertex की संख्या हमेशा even in quantity में होगी, means it will be always in even form, ठीक है, not even value but it is in even form, का तो 2 होंगे, का तो 4 vertex होंगे, का तो 6 होंगे, का तो 10 होंगे, का तो 12 होंगे and so on. We cannot draw such graph, okay, we cannot draw such graph कि जिसमें odd vertex वाले vertex की संख्या odd form में हो, ठीक है. Let us try. Okay, consider 3 vertex, 3 vertex है, ठीक है, अभी सभी की डिग्री 0 है. Now add the edges. Clear? Let us add one edges. So now check that how many vertex whose degree is odd. There are 2 vertex, ठीक है, सब दोनों की डिग्री 1 1 है, तो क्वांटिटी क्या हुई, that is a 2. 2 is even number. Okay, let us add one more edges. एक एज में दूसरी ऐड करता हूँ, ठीक है, this one. So now check that how many vertex whose degree is odd. There are also 2 vertices, ठीक है, एक A है, that is second one. Okay, that is A B, दोनों की डिग्री 1 1 है, so that is the odd vertex. Clear? And number of quantity क्या है, that is equal to 2. Clear? And here if we add one more edges here, clear, let us add parallel edges between A and C. Clear? Now you can see that how many vertex whose degree is odd, ठीक है, कितने vertex की डिग्री odd है, एक C की डिग्री 3, D की डिग्री 1 है, ठीक है, A की डिग्री 2 हो गई, now it is even. So number of quantity of odd vertex की, that is a even form, ठीक है. So this is our statement, ये आपको प्रूव करना है कि why it is always in even form, why it is not odd, why we cannot create such graph कि जिसमें odd vertex वाले vertex की संख्या odd form में हो, ठीक है. That is our statement and that we'll discuss in the next lecture, okay, with it proof, and we'll also add some more example related to this statement, clear, and we'll verify this statement also. Okay, we'll keep up to this and we'll discuss